Hello everyone. So let's have a discussion on 5th September 2022 what can happen to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if we see close to the US indexes, Dow Jones, Nasdaq all are down due to the US job report. Dollar index, a beautiful rise has been taken if we look at the 15 minutes chart in dollar index. See the recovery of that. The day it will cross this level, this one means 110. Now we are going for 121. So we have to see this, we have to stay very cautious on this, and we have to track all the time this. Okay, let's have a look on the monthly chart. See the monthly chart, the resistance is at this point in dollar index 110.2 or 110.5 above. If it sustain and go above now, then we are going for 121 for a big pressure in our Asian market. What about Dow Jones future? In monthly chart it is looking bad. In daily chart it's too bad because the closing is not good. If we see this parallel channel, we are in the midpoint. If this channel breaks this point, then we are coming still 28,300 area. In case of Dow Jones, same as Nasdaq also. Nasdaq futures is also trading that, and its pattern is not good. It is coming to the midpoint of this. Okay, 11,000, or somehow it can take support in this area, 11,000 area, or it may come to this trend line. This is a parallel monthly trend line. See, all the time price hits that and come back, hits the upside and comes down. So this is a thing that we have to see, and all the things are coming in a negative manner, but we have to stay cautious when we have to trade through our levels. Nifty, if we see the monthly chart, see a very important thing, the rejection is coming from this line. Okay, and not a single closing is above 17,840. So if the day Nifty will break this trend line and sustain above, then we are going for 19,500 plus, means 20,000 area we can see in Nifty. But we have to stay very cautious. What we have to do in our 5th September, so we have to see these levels. The levels are 17,800 and 17,150. So we have to see this breakout or breakdown. We have to trade in this scenario when the mark 15 minutes day, first 15 minutes candle, and look for the opportunity to buy or look for the opportunity to sell. Only we can, what we can see, that only it can work through this range next week. If next week range breaks, then we are upside. If range breaks down, then we are downside. But through this parallel channel, the midpoint is here, 16,400 area or 16,500 area, 400 to 500 area. So the midpoint I am expecting a time when this 17,150 breaks, then we can see this midpoint 16,400 or 500 area. What about Bank Nifty? In Bank Nifty also in the same scenario, if we see the monthly chart, we can also have the same theory, but the Bank Nifty is bullish than Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, the rejection is coming from this midpoint monthly line. If the rejection is successful, then we can see this midpoint 35,376 is a good support area. 35,000 area is a good support in this monthly period. Okay, we have to carefully watch that. But if it breaks this trend line and sustain above 39,800, I told you, we can go for 44,000 or 45,000 or maybe more. But still now we have to stay very cautious because we are facing resistance in this trend line, this trend line. So if these things happens, then we can come to this, and again we can come to this area also, because this is the midpoint of the monthly trend line, monthly parallel channel. So we have to think about 15 minutes day high and low, then we can trade through that level, because this time we can see a range bound movement or a breakout or breakdown is not very much sure about that. We have to see as per the market, but as per me, the sideways and range bound movement we can see. Okay, but one thing is that the breakout or breakdown, the day it will happen, we will get a huge move. So we have to stay very cautious on that. As per astrology, what we can see, as per astrology we can see about the, yesterday we saw that Ketu was with moon, and I told you the Rahu's position was not very good, but this time moon came to in such a place where Rahu has an eye on moon on Monday, sunny Saturn in its own house, but there is a sun and Venus combination, and it is sitting in its own house, sun and Venus is with him. So there is a problem on that. I am looking for on Monday. I am little bit of bearish. On Monday. So we have to trade through our levels, whatever the thing comes. 39,800 above Bank Nifty we will buy, 39,800 we will buy, and below 39,000, 38,800 we can short till 38,000 or 37,800 level. Then we can see if it breaks, then we can see this rally 35,000 area. So we have to trade very cautious, in a trade very disciplined manner also. Nifty also, if it sustain above this level 17,800, then only we will buy till this area 17,900 or 18,000, below 18,000, because if 18,000 breaks and sustain, we are going for further this time, but the chances are looking less in this week. We have to looking forward to the range bound movement in this particular range 17,800 to 17,150. So we have to see in this manner, and if this low breaks this one 17,400 area, then we are going for directly 17,150 area. We have to keep in mind. So trade in a very disciplined manner, stay very cautious. Hope we will have a good day on Monday. Thank you.